Hey everyone, my name is Sarah. I am a sports and fitness instructor with PSP. Today we are going to do a easy drawing tutorial to add some cheap wall art to your walls. We're going to do some leaf foliage. All you're going to need is just a sketchbook or some paper of some sort, a pencil, eraser, and then some fine tip markers. All right, let's get started. So starting off, we're going to use our pencil and we're just going to mark the points of where we want our image to be. So I like to do just some quick dots in there, just so I have an idea of where that drawing is going to be. Once we've got the dots, we know where those leaves are going to be on our paper. So I can go ahead and connect the dots. Just a nice light sketch there. If I don't end up drawing on all the dots, that's fine. We can just erase them after. All right, so I've got the center of each of my leaves on the go there, and I'm gonna go ahead and start adding in the whole structure. I'm not gonna worry about adding too much detail as I go here, just because I'm gonna add that detail in after when I use my markers. So I got one leaf done. I'm going to do my second one here, and this one's going to be fully connected, so it's just going to be a quick swoop, that's all. Alright, I got all my lines in place here. Now I'm going to go through with my marker and start filling it in. So as you can see, I started adding in some detail on the bottom there. I'm going to go through and add some more lines in there as well. And then I'm also going to thicken up that bottom part. Alright, I got one palm leaf done there, and I'm going to go through and do each other one. Similar to this one, adding just line work. Super simple, super easy. So now I've completed 3 of my 5 leaves here, and I've got the 2 last ones left. So I'm going to go through and do those ones. So I'm just about done that 4th leaf there. Just finishing the line work. Just quick lines, that's all it is. Super simple. Anybody can do this one. Doesn't have to be black either. Moving on to that final leaf here at the top. Just finishing off this last part of that palm leaf there. I'm just about done. Super quick, nice little drawing. All right, and there you have it. Nice, quick, and easy sketch. Add some art to your walls. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys.